Hello guys, it's me, Victor Kid from KiddKomputers. I'm back with another video. Today I will be demonstrating you an upgrade of an iPod Video 5th generation. Now, the reason why I want to use an iPod Video 5th generation in the 2020 era is because I'd like to have a whole playlist of my own music saved offline, and I can play it anywhere I want, anytime I go, no restrictions. So, just download it off a local library, off your computer, and just go along with it. Instead of paying for a music subscription and all that, just have your own thing anywhere you go. The freedom is all yours. And without further ado, let's get started. So here we are looking at the iPod Video 5th generation. We are upgrading the storage to 128 gigabytes from its old 30 gigabytes of hard drive storage. Now, the main purpose of this video is to show how I upgraded it and how it's actually assembled. So there is no hard drive in this video because the hard drive is long gone. I purchased this iPod off Facebook Marketplace about a couple years ago, and I wanted to upgrade it because not only did I want to have the nostalgic purpose of it, of having an iPod Video, because I didn't have one yet, but I also wanted to have like a very speedy one, and I wanted it able to be useful in 2020 or whatever the year I bought it from. So here we are assembling the iPod. I also replaced the rechargeable lithium-ion 700 milliamp battery inside. The screen is original. The onboard motherboard is original, 32 megabytes of RAM. The ribbon cables are also original. However, the front part of the iPod is not. It used to be all white with a gray scroll wheel, so I wanted a clear scroll wheel and a clear front housing. So after upgrading the internals, I connected it to iTunes. I put it in restore mode, and I followed the on-screen prompts, and the iPod was restored to its own firmware revision, and I was able to update it. It worked perfectly fine. Now that it has 120 gigabytes of storage, I was still able to put songs on it. I can put podcasts on there, I can put photos on there, and videos. It's not only upgraded, but it's also upgraded for other purposes. Well, it serves its purpose well. So in 2020, yeah, you have an iPod, but you not only have an iPod, but it's a flash drive. It can also play songs, it's your MP3 player, all of the above. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs up anyway, and subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.